ka Greta Solutions Training Academy ka bai training card bat ka Sarkar Meghalaya ka wan ra shapi ye ki free skills training lani ki training ki bamdan kamjing siu lani yo e ka course ka bangin ai ka long bamboo furniture maker ki jingmin toy ki banyo na kani ka training ki long government certificate startup tools but placement ki seats ki long ki baduna join no menta ya ka Greta Solutions Training Academy ban tip company follow yangi ha Instagram Facebook but YouTube channel lani phone ha uni un number no real sound not daisan nyo 7640957777 join no menta
Hadin ka jingai jing senya jong kipai ba ka rilum karo bat ka jing job don borom jong Saleng Sangma kumu MP bethamai ka tura bat hadin ka jing ino kam jong u kumu MLA habakran hai kala pathai khubor ha ka sin kong jong tayo ulapan pau ye ka jing so khya halar ka jing kran jong menteri rang ba ka jala Assam u himanta biswa sarma ubalakan no ba ka jing srm jong ka NDA kadina mar ka jing don jong ka wei ka Kynnoh Niam ha Meghalaya da ka jing so bitar halar ka jing kran jong himanta biswa sarma usaleng esang maulong bau himanta udi ubri ubadan ye jing pang bom biang Khlieh namar de ma uhi bujukaran ha rensan yelap election halor ka jing don jong Niam baper ban ubal persyang ro ban penduja ye kipan muslim bat benrap ro da ka bong bau menteri ramba ka sarkar Assam ude bo pendu ye baro kita ka jing ye Niam bat mentapat ukno kelai kiwei bat kene ka pani bau himanta biswa sarma ude badan ye jing pang bom biang bor perkat
within the country.
Assam CM says that religious line it went campaign.
You see, Assam CM himself has talked about the religious during the election. Have you not seen that one? That they will try to do away. You have already seen about the how Assam CM has already done away with all those religious areas. Okay. Now, why to talk much about it? Because I think he's becoming a little bit of mentally disorder. He himself has talked about the religion during the election campaign, and before that also he has done away with lots of Muslim communities. You have seen it openly. So why he is blaming the religion right now? He should not have blamed it at him. That's why I'm telling you, he might be having some mental disorder regarding this one.
How can you say that he's having a mental disorder?
Because he himself is repeating the same which he has already spoken against it before. You have already seen it. He said that he doesn't need Mia, he doesn't need this and that. He was speaking openly against, the functioning of the particular religious doctrine. Now, how can he speak that, that Meghalaya or like Manipur, Nagaland has played those kind of role? That's why. This is the simple reason.